I've now got the group CEO with me, Mr. Peter Mbuli. And Mr. Mbuli, welcome.
Thank you very much.
As a group CEO for the Eagle Brothers Holdings, what is your vision for our company in terms of education going forward?
Yeah, the vision of the foundation is to ensure a sustainable interventions that would promote the improvement of education in the schools, in the public schools, of maths and science. And the main objectives around that, one is to ensure that we prioritize mathematics and science. And the second objective is to come up with ways and means that will help in the improvement of teacher learning as well as teaching. And we're also looking at availing resources that will help in terms of meeting the needs of societies in communities. And so those are basically sort of strategic objectives over and above the other. And in order for us to achieve this, we really, hence today round table, where we are looking at coming up with coordinated networking partnerships that would ensure that we are able to meet the set objectives.
As a group CEO for the Eagle Brothers Holdings, what is your vision for our company in terms of education going forward?
Well, we basically regard ourselves as a premier leader company, and in the education landscape, our vision really is to avail innovated interventions that are aimed at making a difference in the education space. In order to achieve this, is to really engage different stakeholders, relevant stakeholders, partners, and so that we can then make a huge difference, maximum impact here.
Mr. Mbuli, you were really one of the pioneering people that started the Eagle Foundation when you came on board with the Eagle Brothers. What was the idea behind having a foundation?
Yeah. Well, I need to give firstly this background that the foundation came as started as a CSI of EduSciMed, and the reason being a to avail social services that are aimed at empowering communities, particularly in schools, learners, as a functional community. Now, the foundation, because of the dire need that has been acknowledged by the company, we then started the foundation. And the aim really being to give it the opportunity to fly and make as maximum impact that it would. Because like EduSciMed is more of it's a commercial, it's a company, and so the foundation really looks at the needs from a non-profit point of view, and it also enables us to be able to identify other strategic partners and other companies from their CSI portfolios to come together with a foundation and make a difference. Hence today's roundtable dialogue.
Mr. Mbuli, this was our first event as Eagle Foundation, being able to engage partners. Is there going to be lots more functions like this? And was this, in your opinion, successful?
This was a tremendous success. In fact, this is not the only one. It's a first, and it marks the beginning of many more such dialogues that we hope to have in the country as a whole. And we're looking at having such in other provinces as well.
Thank you so much for your time, sir, and thank you for sharing your thoughts with us.
Thank you. You're welcome.